Hello friends, you are welcome to my channel. Today, I will teach you the basics of HTML. Now, what is HTML? So, the full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. So, in our everyday life, we go through many websites. Suppose, let's give an example. Amazon. So, let it open. So, this is Amazon.in. So, this is a website. So, how do we think that these websites are built? Well, there's a language known as HTML and two languages with it, CSS and JavaScript, which are used to build websites. Now, let's download one text editor from Google so that we can write our code. So today we will start HTML, but before that we have to download Sublime text. So you have to search on Google that Sublime text download. Sublime text download. You have to click on this. So here are many options. So if you have Windows, you can just click on this, and if you have Linux, you can click on this. So actually I have already downloaded it, and I will show you that how to build a website. So I will just teach you from a very basic stage. So this is the Sublime text is opening. So first the name will be untitled. You have to press on Ctrl+S, or you can just do like this, click on file, save as, save on your desktop so that you can see, click on desktop. And so I am just writing basics.html. So you can just give the name of your file. Like I can give anything, basics, fan, car, anything. But after that, you have to remember one thing, that in HTML files, after writing something, to save the file, you have we have to remember this .html. So now this is a HTML file. So let's start. Just give an angle bracket and write HTML, and now click on this. So this is the very basic part of HTML. Now let it load. So you can't see anything here. Well, let's open Amazon again. Amazon.in. So you see here it's written online shopping site in India. So how to bring this? This is known as the title of any web page. So here you see the title tag. Here you need to write something. So as I am giving for this video, I am just writing basics. You can write anything according to the website you are building. So you have to again press on, this time save, as because you are writing new codes, the computer have to save that. You have to again go to Google and reload. So here you see basics. Now let's start by changing the background color. So you see inside the body tag, give a space, write style, then background color. You have to remember that here the spelling of color will be COLOR. So here in the background color you can write any color. Suppose I am giving just testing black. So you see the screen turned into black color. Now there are many colors. So every color has a unique color code. Suppose I love Prussian blue. So Prussian blue color code. So you see these are the color codes. This is Prussian blue. This is the color code of Prussian blue. Anytime you need a color code, you can just give the color followed by color code. So if you love red, so red color code, or you need the color code of red color code. You will get the color code. You will just right click and copy it. You can just paste it here. Remove this black, right click, paste, and then just this one, and click on save. You see Prussian blue. Now let's test with dark indigo. Let's see. So you see the color is changing. So now let's do one thing. A text will move from here at the top of the website. So for here, the building blocks div, this div tag, you must give this div tag. So inside this div tag, I'm giving one more tag, marquee. So inside this marquee tag, I am writing basic tutorials. I'm saving it. You see, basic tutorials. It's just moving like a train. Well, here, let's start with headings now. Let's say H1, which is the biggest heading. There are 7 headings, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 and H7. So I'm writing in H1, so it will be the biggest. So let's write basic tutorials. S, and you see basic tutorials. So if I change it with H2, what do you think? It will be much smaller than H1. You see? Let's edit it with H4. So you see, like this, it is becoming smaller. So what about redirecting our users to another site? When means from this site, redirect him or her to another site. Suppose let's choose one site, Google, or yes, Google. Let's choose this one, google.com. So this is called anchor tag. So here you need to write A and you need to click on this. First A, click on enter. So you see A space href is equal to, you have to write here, suppose I want to redirect to this website, https://www, sorry, you don't need to write www, google.com. And here you see, just we will just write here redirecting to Google. So first you see redirecting to Google. So after this anchor tag, in between this slash here and A, we have written redirecting to Google. So this is showing here. Now let's decorate this. So style, text decoration. Means it's just underlining, so remove that underline. You have to just do like this, text decoration is equal to none. So you see the underlining is removed. So click on this. So you see, means our users are being redirected to Google. So like this, there are many tags here. Now let's learn something interesting. Well, let's remove this D first. Well, how about just tagging an image into your site? Just you see the images. So I will create one image. So the tag is img src is equal to. So here you see, you can just take one link, go to Google, search something like Facebook icon. So you just give the Facebook icon this image. You can just search it from Google. You can right click on it and you can just click on copy image address. And now it is copied. You can press Ctrl+V, which is the short form of paste. You see it is pasted here. Now you can press Ctrl+S to save our work, and let's view it on the browser. You see the icon or the logo of Facebook is here. But don't you think it is too much larger? So let's make it shorter. So here we type style, width, height 50 pixels and width 50 pixels. So let's save our work. Let's see it. Well, now we can Just see, the logo is too short, so let's make it 100. Again, let's press Ctrl plus S to save our work. So now it is larger. So let's remove the background color because it is too dark for a logo. Let's make it something like black. Again, now logo is visible. So how about giving some borders to our logo? So let's do that. Firstly, border width. The border width should be 2 pixels, like something like this. You can see it should be 2 pixels, and you can increase if you want. The border style, there are basically 3 border styles, that is solid, dashed and dotted. So let me choose just solid. And border color, let me give red so that it will be visible there. And then you have to set the border radius. Border radius, so making it circular, the border radius should be 50%. It can be anything. You can make it just 10 pixels. Let's make it 10 px or 10 pixels, and let's press Ctrl plus S to save our work. Let's save it. You can see, we can see a nice border. Now just let's remove the image and let's write one paragraph, P. So you have to set the color to white so that it is being visible in this black background. So the color is white, and I go to school every day. So this is one sentence. So I'm again saving my task. I go to school every day. So now, don't you think the style the text is written, it's boring? Let's change the font family. There are different font families. So let's give sans serif. So I think this is a very good font family. You see, the text fully changed. Now, how about changing the position of something? Suppose I want to bring this to this position. So I can't do it accurate, but style, here you can write position, relative, and then it is just, you are going right, so you have to write left. You are going right, but you need to write left, as because you are just shifting it from the left corner. So let's write 500 pixels, 500 px, and let's save our task and view it on the browser. You see, it is spaced much and it is now here. So you see, that is how it is changing. So now how about decorating it? So font weight. So you press there, font weight. So let's make it bold. You see, it is bold. Let's change the color of the paragraph. So as for changing the background color, we are writing background color. For changing the color, means the text color, we need to write color. So as it is white now, let's make it red. You see, it's changing. So how about bringing a YouTube video, means our user will enjoy the YouTube videos. So one of the YouTube video, let's say. So for that, we need the iframe tag. So YouTube provides us with the iframe tag. Suppose home. We want this video. Suppose. Let's click on share and let's click on this embedded. And here you see many text. Here click on this button. And here click on paste. Let's click on Ctrl plus S to save our task. You see, it's coming here. So that's how we can just link a YouTube video to our website. How about creating a bar? Here, let's write one paragraph out of the two. So after that, write HR, that is the horizontal line, and then write one paragraph. Again, write this sentence. Let's save our work and let's view it. You see one horizontal line. Now you must be wondering why our paragraph is not visible. Well, let's click on Style, Color, White, Style, Color, White. Let's reload it. You see one horizontal line just here and here out of the door and here out of the door. So that is how we can create a horizontal line, and that's all for today. I will again make one video. Till then, bye.